Hi everyone, welcome back to MAthias Dev. Today we're tackling a common issue many web developers face: root reload errors in web application. So here I'm in the about page of calio.xyz, which is the domain I bought, to show you what it's doing when I reload the page. That's the error I'm getting. Of course, this is the hosting error, but you may have another 404 page and it may look different. The idea is that when you go to the normal page, the home page, it loads perfectly, but when you reload from a specific route, that's where you get the error. So now you want to go to the folder where you put all your website file. Layout may look different if you're not using Hostinger like me. I'm using Hostinger personally. There will be a link in the description with my affiliate if you want, guys. So if you don't have a .htaccess files, you want to create one. So .htaccess, and you create the new file. If you want, in the description there will be a link to the specific file you need to copy paste. That's what you want to copy paste. I'm gonna explain quickly what you guys need to know here. So basically, first line, check if the module is enabled. Then you want to set the URL to rewrite rules to the root directory. In my case it's index.html. It might be different for you guys. If the request is for index.html, then you don't need to do anything, so it won't do anything. And the two lines after are basically if the file or the directory doesn't exist, then it will ask to apply to the next rule. So this will fix most of the ASPA, so single page application problem. If you still face some issues after that, don't hesitate to contact me on my Discord. There will be a link in the description as well. So let's see if it fixes the issue now by reloading the page in a specific router. So I'm in the /home page. Let's go to the About Us section and try to reload the page now. Boom, it looks like it works. That's perfect. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon. Bye bye.